In my room where lights are low, feel the rhythm, nice and slow. Let the music take my mind. Peace and quiet I will find. Clouds drift by and time stands still. In this space, it's all so real. Soft beats echo in the night. Everything will be alright. Floating on clouds, I'm so free. Nothing here can trouble me. With these vibes I can unwind. Peace of mind I always find. Gentle whispers in my ear. All my worries disappear. In this moment I am whole. The fire beats to soothe my soul. Under stars in twilight's glow, lost in dreams where rivers flow. Feeling light, no way to bear. Find my calm without a care. Heartbeat sinks with mellow tunes underneath the silver moon. Every note a soft embrace in this quiet sacred space. And a moon.